Hello scrappers! The video you are about to watch was filmed a long time ago in a garage far, far away when scrap prices were much higher and I was drunk like 90% of the time, and I don't even remember filming half of these, so I'm seeing them for the first time too. So sit back and enjoy one of my older videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Which one do I want? Decisions. Let's do some scrapping. Hello scrappers. Tonight, got my garage door shut because I don't know if you can tell or not, but there's a lot of frost on my hood. It's pretty cold out there now. It's one of the downsides to living in Massachusetts. But I have this piece of, right now it's a piece of number 2 copper tubing. There's solder in the joints here. Scrap Yard's going to call this whole thing number 2. But if I take it and make a few cuts here. Oh, what did I do? What am I doing? Gotta put it in this way. Put it in that way. And then I get Mr. Clamp out here. There, that's better. So now that wasn't that hard. See, now I have number 1 copper and number 2. So it's like, you know, you separate it out a little bit, make some more money. I'm going to do the same with this piece. Now, I do have a nice Sawzall in the house, and I have cut-off wheels and grinders and I do got some nice tools that would have made it a lot quicker, but you know, it's like, you know what stuff I can cut with 1 hacksaw blade? So that wasn't too bad. A couple minutes worth of work. I turned, you know, like $2 into like almost $3. So I got some number 2 copper for number 2 copper bucket and some number 1 copper for number 1 copper bucket. Now that was number 2 because it had solder on it. So just remember, guys, scrap is everywhere. All you have to do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.